So hello guys, it's 7 AM in Azama City with Mr. Wingbean.
Yeah guys, Mr. Wingbean here.
And then we're gonna walk up the road and go and get some Filipino food and go and get some warm pan.
Yeah.
So yeah, please subscribe to MWB TV and DaddyTravels. And make sure to press that like button on both Facebook and YouTube. And let's just go and see what kind of food we can go and get.
Okay, palit na mo guys.
Lalo kayo.
Cheese.
Pan, bread. This is a bread van that comes around every morning.
Masustansya pa.
Hello bro.
DaddyTravels and Mr. Wingbean.
Malunggay.
Oh, natay bagong power guys. Palit mo boss.
Tagsin ko lang. Damihan o masustansya pa. Palit na mo. Malunggay. Cheese. Panisan. Tagsin ko lang. Damihan o masustansya pa. Panisan. Tagsin ko lang. Damihan o masustansya pa. Palit.
So many cake.
Vlogger mo siya ma'am.
Yeah bro.
Palit na mo dili guys. Hindi yan tindahan ara dili sa Gango Sami City guys. Ikan ta sa Holy Cross Parish sa Gango. Okay, wala siya guys na bigri ang mga palitan ni DaddyTravels. So sa maslingan na mga taga-Gango dili na tapalit guys. Ay lahat mga pan kalamian.
Wow.
Okay, guys.
This is so very cheap here. Per piece 5 pesos. So like 2p per piece.
One-stop shop guys. One-stop shop na
That's
ni
cost
siya
me
guys.
20p.
Pagbook na mo.
20p for some 10 eggs.
Dito guys sila guys.
No banana.
Welcome ma'am sa among vlog ni DaddyTravels o ni MWB TV.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching.
So many fruits and vegetables. It's also very cheap compared to England. So guys, if you ever come to the Philippines, just come to these little shacks along the side roads because everything is so much cheaper than supermarkets and it's all so fresh. So yeah, we have just brought 10 eggs at say 20p. 20p. Can't go wrong. Which is like, I don't know, 50 cents. So yeah guys, honestly you can't go wrong. And there's some food stalls down here also. You can get some Filipino food for less than 100 pesos. So let's go and have a look.
Julius Eatery, sir. Julius Eatery.
Julius Eatery. Julius Eatery.
You can come and get this Filipino food.
Sir, welcome sa vlog, sir.
So guys, just for all of that food here, it just costs 245 pesos. That's less than £5. And there's 8 meals right there. And then we got pan, cost 20p. And then cake also, and more different bread cost less than 50 pesos. So altogether less than 400, well 350 pesos. So about £6 for everything. And this is why Asia, or countries in Asia, is the most loved countries in the world. Also from its beauty and for the cheap prices. So guys, we're now going to go into the apartment and we're going to go and eat. So join us guys on the YouTube channel as I film on the other camera the baptism and the rest of the day. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you soon. My boat, yeah. Ducky ducky. Ducky ducky. Nali.
Ngaon.
Ngaon na lang flight naman.
Ha?
Atang flight naman.
Sakit na lang din ako. Tara. Huwag ko kayo ba? Nagdalili
Crystal.
Of course, si Madam Lorraine Roma.
Very nice. Hello. Hello, sweetheart. My gorgeous wife to be. Wow. That's fucking amazing here. Up. He won't stop him for shit. Oh my god. A bit of Japan right there. Hello, Crystal. Hello, baby. Please. Very beautiful place. I'm surprised over here. What? Okay. Look. Yeah, soon. You go this way. This way. No. Hi. Hi. Crystal. Woo, woo, woo. Hello. You dancing?
No, that's
What is that? Bouncy Castle. We're going that soon. And a reindeer. Hello, bro. Hello. Hello.
What's yours, the bowl or the
What?
Subscribe guys, like, comment, share.
MWB TV and DaddyTravels.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Here's our van. Now going home. Yeah. Bye.
Hey guys, thank you so much.